As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light.
Been spending most of their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise.
Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the state, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my tin in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a loped out gangster, set tripping banker, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life, do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know.
Tell me, why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise.
Power and the money, money and the power. Minute after minute, hour after hour, everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of luck, fool.
We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Tell me, why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? Tell me, why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are
Smoke the weed every day. Don't smoke the seeds, no way. Smoke the weed, hey, smoke the weed. Younger generation, young boys and girls, be careful of the seed you show. If you want to see a strong tree grow, you got to prepare for the future. Show respect, don't neglect Mother Nature. All the pollution in this world, me just can't stand it. Global warming make the whole world panic. Take care of Mother Earth, cause she feed the planet. Youth man, don't go astray.
Fresh trees, young seeds, all trying to find the light, stretching out their limbs to the sun. Guide them right, help them keep their life on track, watch over like a satellite.
Tell them when to stop and go like a traffic light. Many obstacles to overcome in the city life. Making sure they stay pure, teach them what's wrong from right. Seed brings forth new life. Smoke the weed every day. Don't smoke the seeds, no way. Smoke the weed, hey, smoke the weed.
Hey, around 6 a.m. in the morning, when me just a wake up, stick the paper, kiss me darling, the bag hurt me break up. How them a a fight the herb, me can't stand it. Me a sow the seed, Babylon can't come step on it. Me a mix the weed with all the Grey Goose and tonic. Youth man no stop all the chronic. Every day, hey, me roll the weed up. Take a few strands and me mix a couple breed up. Can't stand it when some boy go the seed up. Me no do that we get cheap up. And me say herb, what we a prefer. Them a juggle it on the street curb. And the youth a say weed is life, weed is reality.
Smoke the weed every day. Don't smoke the seeds, no way. Smoke the weed, hey, smoke the weed. Burn like Baba, you've them a supper. Dance them a pop off hot like the summer. You could never understand why we live to lie. You would never recognize unless you see the fire in my eyes. I'm burying a man like every single day. Black birds in the sky, can't get up right. The smoke is my gun, that's how I blow them away. Music is my weapon, rewind and let it play. Babylon, Tiffany, sunset the whole day. They call me Snoop Lion, I smoke every day. We keep planting these seeds, watch them grow up, new breed, cultivating these trees. The cycle carries on. And on it don't stop. The tick-tock of the universal clock, to the bang-bang boogie of the life streaming through me, and the soul that way while we procreate. Smoke the weed every day. Don't smoke the seeds, no way. Smoke the weed, hey, smoke the weed.
Something in here's not right today. Why am I so uptight today? Paranoia is all I got left. I don't know what stressed me first, how the pressure was fed, but I know just what it feels like to have a voice in the back of my head, like a face that I hold inside, face that awakes when I close my eyes, face that I watch every time I lie, face that laughs every time I fall. Everything. So I know that when it's time to sink or swim, the face inside is hearing me right underneath my skin. It's like a paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right beneath my skin. I know I've got a face in me, points out all my mistakes to me. You got a face on the inside too. Your paranoia is probably worse. I don't know what set me on first,
Last year didn't work out so well for me. 2018, well,
Yeah, I'm a fucking kamikaze crashing into everything. You beat me, Islamic Nazi, that means there is no such thing. I've been going for your juggler since Craig G. Duck Alert. Wedgie in my underwear, the whole bedsheet in the comforter. Stuck up in my rectal crack, kiss my disrespectful ass. I ride through your cul-de-sac, window crack, bumping your reference tracks. You collaborative effort rap, I have never said his raps. Overstayed my welcome, stepped in crap and ruined your welcome mat. So spit that shit from the heart, you didn't write like you wrote it. Well, I teabag the microphone cause I go nuts on it. Like a fighter jet line with explosives that'll strike any moment. Headed right at opponents and I'm the fucking pilot that flown it. I'm about to smash
into everyone, crash into everything. Back, and I've just begun. Back 2017, back on everyone. Back on everyone. Back on everyone.
Kamikaze, gonna smash
Into everyone, crash like an F-15. Damage already done. Y'all should've let me be. Back on everyone. Back on everyone. Back on everyone.
Kamikaze, gonna I turned to rap cause it made me feel tough when I wasn't. From the moment I heard rappers cussing, I wasn't. Which is why I identify with the guy who I was invented by. Dre Frankenstein, energized like a 9-volt. Ice cold like snake eyes, twice in a row on a dice roll. But if the only reason I blowed is cause I'm white, though why don't every other white rapper sell what I sold? Kamikaze pilot, I wrote my suicide note. Here come the guys in white coats trying to stop me before I jump behind the controls and try to fly in the phones. Cause I'm taking y'all with me when I go cyclone. I don't think this typhoon's letting up anytime soon. Here I go, eyes closed, blindfolded, I'm about to smash
into everyone, crash into everything. Back, and I've just begun. Back 2017, back on everyone. Back on everyone. Back on everyone.
Kamikaze, gonna smash
Into everyone, crash like an F-15. Damage already done. Y'all should've let me be. Back on everyone. Back on everyone. Back on everyone.
Kamikaze, gonna smash your freestyle on Shape 45, that shit was embarrassing. There's no way we'd ever hear that shit again, I guarantee that. Wait, that shit was so ass, it's something we wouldn't dare re-air. Shit's embarrassing, it's me raring terror, read bear. In my therapy chair, my dick is the hair length to share. Each nut is the chair width of an acorn stare. If beware me, lyrically I'm terrible. Better get your lyrics prepared. Richard Ramirez is here, serial killing every beat there. Is it? Wait. Got the eeriest feeling something evil is lurking. I'm no conspiracy theorist, but something here is afoot. Oh yeah, it's my dick, get the measuring stick. What? 12 inches of wood, wait. But I've been going for your juggler since Craig G. Duck Alert. And I've come to pay respects, cause if you sleep, you're fucked. Other words, you get laid to rest. And I hope your butt is hurt. Put me on a track, I go play on it like a color book. You got some views, but you're still below me, mine are higher. So when you compare our views, you get overlooked. And I don't say the hook unless I wrote the hook. And now I'm just freestyling in the vocal booth. And you know I've always spoke the truth. You're lying through your teeth so much you broke a tooth. And it ain't something I need a phone to do. When I say I can't wait till I get a hold of you. And I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Light up the rappers.
Endgame. Big reputation, big reputation. Ooh, you and me, we got big reputations. And you heard about me. Ooh, I got some big enemies. Big reputation, big reputation. Ooh, you and me would be a big conversation. And I heard about you. Ooh, you like the bad ones too.
You so dope, don't overdose. I'm so stoked, I need a toast. We do the most. I'm in the ghost like I'm whipping the boat. I got a reputation, girl, that don't precede me. I'm a call away whenever you need me. I'm on the G side, come to the A side. I got a bad boy persona, that's what they like. You love it, I love it too, cause you my type. You hold me down and I protect you with my life.
I don't wanna touch you, I don't wanna be just another ex-love you don't wanna see. I don't wanna miss you,
I don't wanna miss you
like the other girls do. I don't wanna hurt you, I just wanna be drinking on the beach with you all over me. I know what they all say,
I know what they all say,
but I ain't tryna play. I wanna be your endgame. I wanna be your first string. I wanna be your 18. I wanna be your endgame.
Knew it when I was young, we connected when we
scratches and chips on both of my shoulders. Reputation precedes me, and rumors I'm knee deep. The truth is it's easier to ignore it, believe me. Even when we'd argue, we'd not do it for long. And you understand the good and bad end up in the song. For all your beautiful traits and the way you do it with these. For all my flaws, paranoia and insecurities. I've made mistakes and made some choices that's hard to deny. After the storm, something was born on the 4th of July. I passed days with the fun. This end game is the one with 4 words on the tip of my tongue. I'll never say
I don't wanna touch you, I don't wanna be just another ex-love you don't wanna see. I don't wanna miss you, I don't wanna miss you like the other girls do. I don't wanna hurt you, I just wanna be drinking on the beach with you all over me. I know what they all say, yeah, but I ain't tryna play. I wanna be your endgame, I wanna be your first string, I wanna be your 18, I wanna be your endgame, endgame. Big reputation, big reputation. Ooh, you and me, we got big reputations. And you heard about me. Ooh, I got some big enemies. Big reputation, big reputation. Ooh, you and me, we be a big conversation. And I heard about you. Ooh, you like the bad ones too? I hit you like bang. We tried to forget it, but we just couldn't. And I bury hatchets, but I keep maps of where I put them. Reputation precedes me. They told you I'm crazy. I swear I don't love the drama.